Well, look who we have here. It's all of you savvy real estate investors, wholesalers, flippers, and agents trying to find that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Now, we all know that cash is king, especially when it comes to real estate transactions. No more dealing with pesky lenders, no more complicated paperwork, and no more risks involved. But let's face it, finding a cash buyer can be like finding a needle in a haystack. Fear not, my friends, for I am here to save the day with some ingenious strategies to help you bag that elusive cash buyer. Building a lead generation website. Building a lead generation website is a piece of cake, my dear. All you gotta do is create a simple website, throw in a lead generation form, and voila, you're good to go. I mean, how hard can it be? It's not rocket science after all. But wait, there's more. If you really want to draw traffic to your website, you've got to think outside the box. You can't just sit there and hope for the best. You've got to work for it, honey. You can try traditional advertising, content marketing, and SEO. Or if you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can even post on social media. I mean, who doesn't love scrolling through their Facebook feed and stumbling upon a lead generation form, am I right? But wait, there's still more. You can also create pay-per-click PPC advertising campaigns with Google AdWords. I mean, come on, who doesn't love a good PPC campaign? It's like a game of Russian roulette. You never know if you're going to win or lose. But the thrill of it all is just too exciting to pass up. Networking with real estate associations. You know, almost every town and city has a real estate association where you can rub shoulders with all kinds of real estate professionals. It's like a real estate party. Investors come to these meetings to learn, network, and find deals, which makes it the perfect place for wholesalers to hang out and make connections. So when you attend these meetings, be sure to introduce yourself and your business to as many people as possible. Don't forget to listen to what they have to say too. Who knows, you might just discover your next business partner. If you can, try to attend these meetings consistently. The more you attend, the more investors you'll meet, and the more you'll learn about real estate. Plus, if you become a regular, you'll start to build up some street cred with the other investors. They'll see that you're serious about real estate and be more interested in working with you. So go forth and network, my real estate amigos. The world of real estate is your oyster, and real estate associations are the perfect place to find your pearl. Property management companies. For the care of their rental properties, many real estate owners employ property management firms. In exchange for receiving a piece of the rental income, the partnership saves investors time. These companies are a great place to start looking for cash buyers because they work with so many real estate investors. They have an incentive to help you since you can recommend them to your contacts, which keeps everyone's businesses expanding concurrently. Attend auctions. Because most auctions only accept cash, all the regular participants are cash buyers. They were the best place to connect with cash buyers before the advent of real estate lead generation software. Finding cash buyers at auctions is still a fantastic idea. When you attend these events, you will usually see investors making bids on foreclosures. Take advantage of the opportunity to learn everything you can while keeping an eye on your surroundings. When the opportunity arises, introduce yourself to the auction's investors and outline your business plan. Then inquire whether they are looking for a property or someone to assist them in finding their next deal. These auctions will almost certainly provide you with several new contacts to add to your list of cash buyers. You can still use a skip tracing service to find investors if you know their names, but not their contact information. Connect with real estate rental companies. Not just individual investors are interested in buying your wholesale deals. If the statistics add up, the majority of rental businesses are frequently looking to acquire new properties and typically have the funds to do so. Find out which company owns homes in your area by doing some research, and then give them a call to get in touch with rental agencies. Before you connect with the proper people, it can take a few phone calls and some explaining. But these connections can be invaluable, even while the majority of the individual purchasers will only purchase a small number of deals from you. If you can consistently find good offers, you could develop into a great long-term asset for a rental firm. If you want to wholesale real estate, putting together a list of cash buyers isn't as difficult as you might think. The majority of cash buyers prefer to work with wholesalers because it eliminates the lead generation stage of investing. Make business connections by going to places where cash buyers congregate. When it comes time to sell your next transaction, you will almost certainly know someone who is interested in buying it because your buyer list will quickly grow.